This is my car, the 2003 Honda. Lexus ES 300. Hold on. We're gonna check the. Okay, you make a U-turn, ma. Make a U-turn. U-turn. Make a U-turn. And then. Okay. Make a U-turn. Go. U-turn. See that? Go. There's a click.